Hi students, today we're going to practice some exercises of the subjunctive, of the indefinite and the unknown, el subjuntivo de lo indefinido y de lo desconocido. Okay, the first sentence says, busco el viajante que blank ser bilingüe. Now, do we use the subjunctive or do we use the indicative? Now, the first thing we should do is look for that word that tells us whether we may have to use a subjunctive. And in this sentence, we had it, okay? Busco, busco. Okay, busca el viajante que, bilingüe. Now, in this particular sentence, it is the definite article el, what tells us that we're going to use the indicative. Why? Because when we say busco el viajante, I'm looking for the salesman. It is implied that we already know him. So, okay, we are going to use the indicative. Es, okay? Es busco el viajante que es bilingüe. Okay, what about the second sentence? Necesito un tutor que blank saber cálculo. Okay, again, the first thing we should do is find that verb or phrase that could be a subjunctive trigger. And in this sentence, we had it. We have oops, I'm sorry about that. Okay, necesito. And what determines in this sentence whether we're going to use a subjunctive or we're going to use the indicative is again the article. We are using here an indefinite article, un tutor, a tutor. Therefore, we actually don't know him. We need one, but we're not sure we're going to find him or her. Okay. So, how do we conjugate this verb? In the subjunctive. Okay, necesito un tutor que sepa, okay, que sepa cálculo. What about the third sentence? Okay, hay una chica que francés en el salón de clases. Oops, I forgot the verb. Okay, we can fix that. Hablar francés en el salón de clases. Okay. Now, do we have a word that tells us that we may have to use subjunctive? No, we have I. I means there is. Therefore, if there is a girl in the classroom that speaks French, she exists, therefore we use the indicative. Yes. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, Señora Diaz, what about the una? We have here a subject with an indefinite article too, but we have I. Okay, sorry about that. We have I. And I immediately tells you that she exists. Doesn't matter. We're using here an indefinite article. So, okay. How do we conjugate it? In the indicative. Hay una chica que habla, francés en el salón de clases. Okay, let's see the next sentence. No conozco a nadie que interpretar mandarín a inglés. Now, do we have any word or verb or phrase that may indicate that we might use a subjunctive? Well, yeah. We have a lot. We have no, we have no, we have no conozco a nadie. We don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. Therefore, since I don't know anyone, I don't know if it exists. Probably it does, but I mean, I really can't say 100% that this person exists. So, how are we going to conjugate this? We're going to conjugate it using the subjunctive. Okay, no conozco a nadie que interprete mandarín a inglés. Okay, what about the second question? ¿Conoces a alguien que tocar el piano? Okay, do you know someone who plays the piano? Okay, well, first, it is a question. And second, oops, I'm sorry about that. Second, we have the verb conoces. So you don't have the information. You don't know. You're asking someone for information. Okay, do you know this person? So since we don't know, we're going to use what? Yes. We're going to use a subjunctive. Okay. What about the third sentence? Sí, conozco a alguien que toca el piano. Yes, I know someone who plays the piano. I mean, is there any word there that may tell me that, oh, you have to use a subjunctive? Well, yeah, we have conozco, okay? We have conozco, but the problem here is that we are answering in the affirmative, that yes, we do know someone who plays the piano. Therefore, we're going to use the indicative. Sí, conozco a alguien que toca el piano. Now, what if the answer were no? No, no conozco a nadie que tocar el piano. Now, do we have any words or verbs or phrases that indicate that I may have to use the subjunctive? Of course we do. We have no and no again and no conozco and a nadie. This is triple negative. Therefore, since I don't know anybody, I'm going to use what? I'm going to use the subjunctive. No, no conozco a nadie que toque, okay, el piano. That plays the piano. Now, what about the other sentence? Necesito un analista de sistemas que saber Java. Okay, do we have a word that tells me, oh, you may have to use the subjunctive? Yes, we have the verb necesitar, necesito. Now, what in this sentence tells me that I'm going to use a subjunctive? The article is an indefinite article. So yes, I need an analyst, a systems analyst, but I don't know him. I'm looking for him, and there's not a specific one that I'm referring to. Therefore, I'm going to use yes, the subjunctive. Necesito un analista de sistemas que sepa Java. Okay, what about the last sentence? Necesito el analista que saber Java. Now, it is exactly the same sentence as the previous. The only difference is what? Okay, we have necesito, and we have the only difference is in the article. This is a definite article. So if I say I need the analyst, that one that I know that he can program in Java, then you're going to use the indicative. Necesito el analista que sabe Java. Okay, guys, if you have any questions about the subjunctive of the unknown and the indefinite, please email me. Send me a message, post the questions in the classroom. Okay? Okay, I hope this helps you for the quiz.